to present the milestones ng ating KSK Co for 2011 as of March, last day of March. Let me present to you first the activity milestones. First, there are 500 individual orientations done in 365 days. Nila Ronnie De La Cruz, nila Clarice Xiao, nila Joel Cala, Memi Formillas, and the rest of KSK Co-op admin, lalo na doon sa Hong Kong. These regular orientations really contributed a lot for us to enjoy another banner year of getting the most number of new members in a particular year. Thanks to Jam Mayer and her group introducing us to this technology called webinars. We did about 5 webinars for KSK Co-op, initially on financial literacy and eventually orientation on what KSK Co-op is. We had about 1,500, 1,500 individuals attending these webinars and enjoying new members coming from these webinars. So these webinars had a cost. Sa galing po ni Jam Mayer, it is very much worth it na bayaran natin ang kanilang serbisyo sa kanyang pagkatao at sa kanyang grupo. This has really affected KSK Co-op in a very positive way. Our source of new members are from our Hong Kong office that we have maintained the past 3 years. The webinars that I just mentioned, our KSK Co-op website, www.kskcoop.com, our Facebook, the Coleco Foundation books, our continuous exposure in media through TV, and other facilities that we have employed, like the CFE seminars. Like the 2 seminars we did today in the Coleco Foundation, they have been a new source again for new members joining KSK Co-op. We tried to do BOSS or BOSS activity, Business Opportunity Seminar Series. We did 3 of that, 2 in Manila and 3 in Manila and 2 in Hong Kong. So that propelled us to new heights because that generated interest anew to KSK Co-op. We did our first ever team building in Hong Kong, wherein about close to 400 participated, and that is where we attribute the number of new members coming from Hong Kong in 2011. We hope it is a challenge for us, together with Jam Mayer, ilalagay ko na siya on the spot, on paano kaya tayo makapag-team building via webinar. And that would be very interesting, and we want to give it a shot. Para talagang patibayin, palakasin, patatagin ang ating members at ang kabuuan ng KSK Co-op. We had our first Christmas party here in the Philippines and in Hong Kong. Siguro ito medyo mahirap na gawin ng Christmas party but through webinar, but who knows? The important thing is the thought, the message, and the spirit of Christmas being shared, may it be live, one-on-one, personal, or even through webinar. And we know this kind of activities na maaaring walang kinalaman sa pera or hindi lang pera-pera lang ang pinag-uusapan. It is but emphasizing that KSK Co-op, after all the financial issues, is also based on strong relationships. And of course, we have taken advantage of the internet. Some or most of you probably have become KSK Co-op members. We may not have seen you personally yet or kayo nakita kami, but because of technology, internet in particular, Facebook, webinars, and our website, you have become KSK Co-op members, or we have addressed concerns of KSK Co-op members because or with the help of technology. KSK Co-op as an opportunity provider gives you lend opportunities and buy opportunities. A quick background. So sabi po ni Ms. Jam Mayer through chat, kaya ang team building and even party through webinar. And marami pong experience si Jam Mayer dyan. And yes, probably I can agree with Jam. We can have siguro some guest performers like Gary V, Noel Cabangon, and si Lady Gaga during our Christmas party via webinar. So Jam, I'll pass on that responsibility to you to propose. And ang sagot lang sa atin ni Jam ay laugh out loud. But on a serious note, we have lend opportunities and buy opportunities for co-op members sa inyong KSK Co-op. Ano po ang ibig sabihin ng lend opportunity, lend investments? Ang mga lend investments, fixed, guaranteed, kadalasan insured yung investment nyo. Sa buy investment, hindi po siya fixed, hindi po siya mag-guarantee, hindi nyo siya ma-insure. Ano ang pinagkaiba? Ang lend investment, maliit lang ang pwede nyong kitain. Sa buy investment, malaki ang pwede nyong kitain. Ibig sabihin, sa lend investment, maliit ang peligro, maliit ang kita. Sa buy investment, malaki ang peligro, malaki ang pwedeng kitain. Yan po ang ginagawa ng KSK Co-op sa inyo. Bigyan kayo ng oportunidad makapasok sa mga lend investments at sa mga buy investments under the umbrella called KSK Co-op. Ano-ano po yung mga buy opportunities, lend opportunities na naalok, inumpisahang inalok, at tapos nang inalok ng KSK Co-op as of December 2011. Yan po yung mga sumusunod. Mag-focus po ako ngayon doon sa unang lima. Yung share capital na yung sa mga buy investment, ang inyong share capital, ang pagpasok sa KMP Foods na ngayon meron tayong Chowking sa One Mango at yung expansion na plano at gusto nating mangyari. Yung pagpasok at pagbili natin ng One Wealthy Nation, Rural Bank of Cavite City, ang ating LED billboard at yung serbisyo na binabandera talaga natin, yung RSIP, Regular Saving and Investing Program, na katulong ng one of the better performing mutual funds in the country. Sa mga lend type of investments, naumpisahan na po natin yung special deposit account para sa lahat ng co-op members. Ito pong special deposit account na to ay binibigyan kayo ng fixed, guaranteed, mas mataas na return para sa inyong deposit. At ito po ay PDIC covered or Philippine Deposit Insurance Coverage. Siya po ay insured ang inyong pera dahil ito po ay pinapasok natin sa ating One Wealthy Nation, Rural Bank of Cavite City as deposit. This year, noong 2011, inumpisa na natin pag-aralan yung peer-to-peer lending. Meron din tayo nung Pioneer Sparks program na in partnership with Pioneer Insurance. Umpisahan ko po na po ang milestones o balita sa buy investments, specifically sa ating regular saving and investing program. Dito po sa ating RSIP, mula nung natapos ang December 2011, meron pong 537 of the almost 2,000 members ang sumali sa RSIP. Hindi po mandatory ang pagsali sa RSIP, voluntary. At ito pong pagsali na ito, hindi pilitan. Ibig sabihin, kung gusto nyo ng alternatibo o maka-invest sa mutual fund, meron pong inaalok ang KSK Co-op sa inyo. At ito nga po yung RSIP. Ito pong RSIP natin ay in partnership with First Metro Asset Management Incorporated for the specific mutual fund, Save and Learn Equity Mutual Fund. Ito pong mutual fund na ito ang best performing the past year, the past 3 years, the past 5 years na mutual fund. Ano po ang ginagawa ng RSIP? Ginawa po ang pag-invest sa mutual fund ng mga co-op members ng mas madali at mas abot kaya. Tinitake advantage na po yung investment strategy na tinatawag cost averaging. Para po doon sa mga sumali na ng RSIP, sino nga po ba itong kapartner natin, Fami Salef? Ito po ang nakikita nyo ngayon, ang performance niya mula nang siya ay nag-umpisa hanggang last year. Makikita po, bilang buy type of investment, ang mutual fund ay hindi naggagarantiya na laging merong paglago na pwedeng kitain sa inyong investment. Noong taong 2008, na halos lahat naman po ay naapektuhan ng global financial crisis, pati rin po ang mutual fund ay naapektuhan. Lahat sila ay naka-experience ng decline. Last year, 2011 po, ang performance sa kabuuang taon na 2011 ng Fami Salef ay lumago lamang ng 8%. Ngayon po, hindi pa natatapos ang unang quarter or pagkatapos ng isang quarter ng 2012, the same mutual fund po has already outperformed its 2011 performance with a 16.6 year-to-date performance. Ibig sabihin po niyan, mula Enero 2012 hanggang katapusan ng Marso 2012, ang Fami Salef bilang mutual fund ay nagkaroon na ng paglago ng 16.6. Kaya kayo pong mga member na sumali sa RSIP, lahat po kayo ay mabibigyan ng impormasyon at makikita nyo, masayang ibabalita natin na karamihan ng mga RSIP investors, karamihan, hindi lahat, ay merong na-enjoy na 20% na paglago dahil sa kanilang RSIP placements. Sasabihin ko na ho kagad ngayon, dahil kayo ay malamang nasa ibang bansa o hindi makapunta dito sa ating opisina, kaya nga webinar ang inyong ginagamit, mag-email po kayo kay memi@colaycofoundation.com, MEMIE@colaycofoundation.com. Isama nyo na rin po sa email, total, hindi naman mapapadagdag ang gastos nyo kung nagdagdag kayo ng additional email address. Yung email address ni Ruth David. Sila po ang in charge ng inyong statement of account. Ang email address po ni Ruth David ay ilalagay niya sa chat box. Ms. Ruth David, pakilagay po ang email address kung saan sila makaka-request ng kanilang statement of account. Dito po sa statement of account, makikita ang lahat ng transaction nyo sa KSK Co. Ang inyong share capital, kung kayo naglagay ng pera sa bangko, sa Chowking, sa LED Billboard, at kung ano pa mang transaction nyo sa pera sa KSK Co. Muli, ang email address na inyong lalagay ay MEMIE, @colaycofoundation.com, at ang email address ni Ruth David, isa sa ating admin officers, ay ilalagay niya through chat. Ayan po. Pwede niyong ipadala sa ruthdavid11@gmail.com or ruth@colaycofoundation.com. Ang susunod po natin gustong ibalita ay ang katayuan ng ating One Wealthy Nation Rural Bank of Cavite City na naumpisa ho natin bilhin noong Marso 2010. Ano ang nangyari sa kanya noong taong 2011? Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang house cleaning, quote-unquote, na ginagawa natin sa ating nabiling bangko na 50 years in existence. Hindi naman po lingid sa inyong kaalaman, itong bangko na ito ay mura lang natin nabili dahil siya ay problematic na bangko. Kung ito po ay maayos na bangko, malamang hindi natin ito mabibili ng panahon na iyon sa halagang 6.5 million. Tuloy-tuloy naman po ang ating pag-ayos, paglinis sa Rural Bank of Cavite City. In fact, maraming positive news dyan na ibabahagi ko later at the part of for 2012 performance or projects ng KSK Co. Kasalukuyan, ang gusto kong ibida, pag kayo co-op member at kayo nag-time deposit sa inyong sariling own RBCC Bank, kayo po ay makakapag-enjoy ng 5% interest, guaranteed, fixed return every year. Kailangan lang po naka-time deposit kayo ng 5 years. Isa na po yan sa pinakamataas na time deposit rate na pinayagan ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Kaya po hinihikayat ang lahat ng member, kung kayo ay wala pang deposit sa ating own RBCC Bank, but you are also having bank accounts from different banks, why bank from the others when you can bank in your own bank and contribute to its profitability as a bank, and for you individually enjoy the 5% fixed guaranteed interest or return. Ang ating KMP Foods, ang isa sa ating major buy investment na pinasok, it's going to its second year of operation. So very challenging po ang ating Chowking franchise. Challenging in the sense na hindi po basta-basta ang pagpapatakbo ng ating Chowking sa Mango Avenue. Mapalad tayo, meron tayong Tata Balbuena, member ng Board of Directors ng KSK Co. at Presidente ng KMP Foods. She has made consistent efforts to increase yung average gross sales. Kung nakikita nyo sa slide, nung unang taon, we barely make 60,000. Ngayon, over 70,000 a day gross sales. Ang target po natin ay makapag 80,000 this year, 90,000, and eventually about 120,000 every month, every day gross sales average. Kapag nangyari po yan, in 7 years, balik ang ating pera. 119 members ang sumali na umaasa na indeed mabalik ang pera or magkaroon ng ROI, return of investment. Yan po ang tinatrabaho ni Ma'am Tata Balbuena, tayo KSK Coop bilang kanyang investor. Maraming awards, accolades, recognitions na po ang KSK Coop, pero ang pinakabinibida po natin sa kasalukuyan, yung nakuha natin noong Pebrero 2012 bilang Gold Store Awardee. Ipagyabang lang po natin to na yung Gold Store Awardee, hindi po sa lahat ng 400 na Chowking branches ay binibigyan ng Gold Store Award. In fact, ang inyong KSK Coop or KMP Foods, ang isa, kung hindi sa pinakabatang franchisee na nabigyan ng Gold Store Awardee. And that credit is to be given to Ma'am Tata Balbuena and the rest of her team in Cebu City. Mamaya ho, ipapakita ko pa yung ibang proyekto ng KMP Foods. Gusto ko lang tapusin yung mga milestones na ating gagawin. Magbubukas ulit tayo ng direct participation. Maaaring hindi na diretso sa Chowking, pero sa ibang projects na pasukin ng KSK Coop sa larangan ng pagkain.